Hi, welcome to my channel Excel Fundamentals. Please like and subscribe for more videos. This is the second session with M365 knowledge share session. So today we will see how the quiz option works in M365. So this is the home screen of M365, which is Microsoft 365, which is the latest version of Microsoft, where you no need to save any Excel. If you open an Excel, it automatically saves with every change that you make. So before closing, you no need to save it at all. So when you're opening the file, it will automatically update whatever changes you made. So why to wait? Let's see the exciting session of how to create a quiz. So in the home screen, if you see, there is a button called quiz forms, yeah, or you can create from here also, where you see create, yeah. So let's go to the quiz section, click on quiz. Now give a name to the quiz, say Friday Bonanza quiz, yeah. You can give a description also if you want. For entertainment part of socials committee. Now let's add one quiz wherein we'll say, first collate the information. Say I want text saying full name. This is the required field. I don't want anything here. Next, add new choice, yeah. So here you need to give when was last you created an today. When was last you created today? Today, or when was last you visited UK, yeah. Give an option, say last year, last month. You can add options also, extra options if you want. Never been, yeah. Or others, yeah. Yeah, you can give them the option. Okay, next is another question, say something called rating. I don't have more questions now, so I'm just going with whatever I know, yeah. So rating you can give here. This is the required one. So question is, how do you rate compared to, yeah. So I'm done with my quiz. So now let's see how the preview will look like. But before that, Maybe we'll add some style to it. Yeah. Let's see this one. This looks not great. This looks fabulous. Yeah. So I'm done. Now let's see the preview, how it will look like. Yeah, this is how your quiz form will look like. So once you start and enter the details here and submit, you are done. So if you select other and Monaisa 5 rating, yeah, submit, done. So if I go and see here, the data will be there. Yeah, you can export to Excel also here from here. Yeah, if you want to post those scores, you can post those or send those somewhere. Yeah, you can see the answers also here. Yeah, responses, number of responses, who has given you the latest response. Yeah, anything of that sort. Hope you find this useful for your quiz competitions within your organization or anywhere else. You can use this form to send it to anyone to collect information for your organization or within your organization. That is also possible. Thank you so much for your patience to watch this video. Please subscribe my channel Excel Fundamentals or shorts section @Excel Fun with Madhu. Like, comment and subscribe please. Thank you so much.